नमस्ते बच्चों, आज हम चैप्टर 19 कंटिन्यू करेंगे. वी विल कंटिन्यू चैप्टर 19. ओके, हाथी पाठ 19. ओके, हाथी वर्कशीट नंबर 124. नाउ टेक योर वर्कशीट एंड सी व्हाट इज गिवन इन 124. Yes, did you see so many letters and pictures? Let's see what we have to do in that. देखते हैं क्या करना है ना. चलो अभी देखते हैं हमें क्या करना है. ये देखो, what have they given in this? What have they given in this? This is your third question. They have given चित्र के नाम की शुरू की आवाज से जोड़ो. Okay, what have they given here? Look, ചിത്ര എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? വാട്ട് ഈസ് ചിത്ര? क्या है चित्र? चित्र माने pictures. You can see the pictures. There are many pictures in your worksheet. We will see gradually as we learn. चित्र के नाम. चित्र के नाम, name of the picture. चित्र के नाम, name of the picture. So what you have to do? शुरू की आवाज से you have to take the first sound of the name of the given picture. First sound, शुरू की आवाज, first sound. आद्यത്തെ സ്വരം എന്താണോ ആ പേരിന്റെ. ഇപ്പൊ ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, what is this? ये क्या है? ये क्या है बोलो? ईख, sugar cane, ഈഖ്. അപ്പൊ അത് എങ്ങനെയാ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യണത്? ഈ എന്നുള്ളത്. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മൾ ആ ഈ എന്നുള്ളത് എവിടെയാണ് ഈ അക്ഷരങ്ങളിൽ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് അതായിട്ട് ആ പിക്ചർ മാച്ച് ചെയ്യണം. യു ഹാവ് ടു മാച്ച് ദാറ്റ് പിക്ചർ വിത്ത് ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് സൗണ്ട് ഓഫ് ദ നെയിം ഓഫ് ദ പിക്ചർ with the letters given in the center. So you have to know the name of the pictures. So first we will write the names. Shall we write simultaneously, one here, one there? Okay, let us write the name. You can write anywhere you want to, like wherever there is place. Okay, but near the picture. Where you are going to write? Near the picture. Don't write very big. Write in small letter, like handwriting. Don't make it huge. छोटा छोटा लिखो. कैसे लिखना है? छोटा करके लिखना है. चलो पहला वर्ड लिखते हैं. Let us write the first word. क्या लिखें? ये क्या है? ये कौन सा पिक्चर है? ईख. क्या है ये? ईख. What is the first sound here? What is the first sound here? It is E. What you have to match? You have to match this letter with this letter E. We will do it. Okay. पहले we will write the names. ये क्या है? ये क्या है? बताओ क्या चीज है ये? इमली. I'm going to write it here. Imali. Come on, write Imali. Have you finished writing Eek and Imali? Finished? लिखो ईख. उसके बाद क्या लिखना है? Imali. First we will do these 4 pictures. After matching them, then only we will go to the next pictures. Finish writing Eek and Imali. Okay, here the first sound is E. What is it? E. अब let us go to this picture. इसको क्या कहते हैं? बोलो इसको क्या कहते हैं? You have studied in class 1. बोलो क्या कहते हैं इसको? सही कहा, अमरूद. चलो लिखते हैं अमरूद. देखो द अमरूद. Remember, we don't put the u की मात्रा और उ मात्रा in the down. We don't. For ra, you always put it in the center. Okay, we can't put u ki matra here. It will become some other letter. Okay, it might look like u only finally. So we have to put the u matra. Where we have to put the u matra? In the center of letter ra. I'll write again the. I think you have getting enough time to copy the word from the board. Did you write amrud? Did you write amrud? Yes. Now let us go to the next picture. ये क्या है बोलो? Now you have to look. We have given the picture of a foot. We are going to write the name of this heel. We are going to write what is this part known as. This part. Okay, this part is known as AD. All together it is foot. Okay, now इसको क्या कहते हैं? This part, the heel part. Okay, the heel part is known as AD. What is it known as? AD. AD, heel. Okay, AD, foot, heel. देखा? Now let us match these 4 words first. Okay, then we will go to the next. We will go for the next writing. So what is your question? चित्र, पिक्चर के नाम की शुरू की आवाज. Okay, the beginning sound of the picture should be matched with the letters given here. The starting sound of the name of the picture should be matched with the letters given here. So shall we start? Yes. So first picture, let me take a little bit up so that you can do it. Still I need to shift. Okay. Now let us see what we have to do. Yahan, this is eek. Where is letter E? So you have to match this with E. Because it is starting with E, you will match the letter E. So this picture will be matched with letter E. Did you see? I have matched it with letter E. Got it? Now, what about the second picture here down? Same side we will do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What about this picture? This name of this picture begins with A. We have to match this letter with A. What should we match? This is known as Amrud and this is the first letter, the first sound A. Okay, ആദ്യത്തെ സ്വരം എന്താണ്? A എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ A എവിടെയാണ്? ഏറ്റവും ആദ്യത്തെ അക്ഷരം. The very first letter is A. So we will match that with A. See here. I have matched it with A. Now we will go to the second side. What I said, we will do 1, 2, 3, 4 first, then we will go back. Let us see what is this known as. इसका नाम क्या है? इसका नाम कैसे क्या कहते हैं? इसको कहते हैं इमली. और इसकी शुरू की आवाज means the first sound. शुरू की आवाज क्या है? इसकी शुरू की आवाज ई है. Now where is E? This letter. It is over here. So we have to match this picture with this letter. Okay? Clear? Now comes A. So I need to shift the board. Where is A? E. We can see only till E. We need to check where is A. उसके बाद है री and उसके बाद है A. Okay. Now we have to match that picture. This is A. AD. See, I am matching that with A. It has to go with A. We will minimize and see how it is. Okay. Later after we finish it. Okay, fine. तो ये क्या है? A. AD. A. Now it is time to write the names of the pictures given here. Now we will write the names for these pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है? लिखे? चलो लिखते हैं. क्या लिखना है? हमें नाम लिखना है. चलो लिखते हैं. पहला पिक्चर, ये वाला पिक्चर, इसको क्या कहते हैं? इसको क्या कहते हैं? बोलो क्या कहते हैं? ऐनक. ऐनक. So the name of this picture, the first sound of this picture is ऐ. न क. ऐनक. तो शुरू की आवाज, the beginning sound of the name of this picture is, इस चित्र का नाम क्या है? ऐनक. शुरू की आवाज क्या है? ऐ. So the ऐनक. Let us write the names. उसके बाद let us take this boy's name as ऋषभ. क्या है? ऋषभ. He is ऋषभ. ऋषभ. And what season? Ritu. Season also, it's a rainy season, so we are not writing that. Can you see Rishabh? Can you see Rishabh? Or should I just shift a little bit this side and I shall write again Rishabh for you because it is getting cut. Okay. चलो अभी लिखते हैं ऋषभ. once again we will write ऋषभ. री. क्या लिखना है? एक सेकेंड इधर और शिफ्ट कर देती हूँ. री ये है री, उसके बाद श और ये है भ, ऋषभ, ऋषभ, क्या है ये? ऋषभ। ओके, नाउ ऐनक, ऋषभ. Here the first sound of this picture's name is Re. So you need to match that picture with Re letter. That we will do later. Let us come to this. I told you your mummy uses this in the kitchen for crushing the garam masalas or onions or garlic or ginger. She uses mortar. What do you call this mortar? What do you call this mortar? ओखली. What is it known as? ओखली. इस चित्र का नाम क्या है? ओखली. ओखली. ओके, इसको ओखली कहते हैं. What is this? ओखली. So what is the first sound? O. So you will match this picture with which letter? O. Now comes, look at this. What is it known as? What is it known as? It is known as आलू. आलू मतलब, आलू का मतलब क्या है? पोटैटो. ये है लू. नाम लिखो आलू. Now I have given you 4 more words. Did you see? 4 more words. Now let us match the next letter for this. See, since it is like this, it is. अब देखो ये क्या है? ऐनक. Where is a letter? A, ये वाला a यहाँ पर है. चलो इसको मैच कर देते हैं. ऐनक, ये है ऐनक. मैंने मैच कर दिया है. अब उसके बाद ये वाला पिक्चर देखो. यहाँ देखो क्या है ये? ऋषभ, री. Where is री? यहाँ पर. So I am going to match री here. ये हुआ री. You have to match the first sound. Okay, ആദ്യത്തെ സ്വരം, ആ പേരിന്റെ ആദ്യത്തെ സ്വരം എന്താണോ? ഓക്കെ, സ്വരാക്ഷരങ്ങളാണല്ലോ. ഓക്കെ, ആ സ്വരം ഏതാണോ ആ സ്വരങ്ങളോടുകൂടി നിങ്ങളിത് മാച്ച് ചെയ്യണം. മനസ്സിലായ? ആ ലെറ്ററോടുകൂടി. ദീസ് ആർ ദ സ്വരാക്ഷർ. യു ഹാവ് ടു മാച്ച് ദ എക്സാക്ട് കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് letter. Understand of the name of the picture. Now chalo, let us come to the next. What is this? ओखली. इस पिक्चर को क्या कहते हैं? ओखली. ठीक है. Where is O? Let us check where is O. See, U, Re, A, O is coming only. Let us see where is O. Here comes O. Okay. We need to match this ओखली. So let us match ओखली. ये है O. ये है ओखली. ओखली. Now wait a minute. I'll just take this off and I'll match the picture. That will be more clear for you. ये है ओखली. Name of the picture is क्या है? ओखली. And the first sound is O. First sound is O. ओखली. अब है, we have written the name for potato. उसको क्या कहते हैं? आलू. Oh, that is it is in the beginning, the second letter of Swarakshar. So let us take the second letter of Swarakshar. Where is it? चलो देखते हैं. ये आ गया तुम्हारा आ. Okay. Now I need to match that with the picture. Let us see. Now since if I take it down you will not get it, but I'm just matching it from here. Let us do the matching work first. ये हुआ तुम्हारा आलू. देखा? आलू. Can you see? I hope you have understood how to do this. I have left only 2 more pictures. 2 more pictures for you which you need to match. Okay? You please do that yourself. Can you do it yourself? Yes? Okay. Very nice. Oh, I have not given you the picture of Un. There is a picture in between Imali and Adi. That picture is not there. I'm so sorry. I shall show you that picture also. Let us see. I'll draw. I'll try my best to draw, though I'm not good at it. Okay. ये देखो. I shall shift this picture a little bit to this side. ओके. एडी को हम थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट कर देते हैं. इधर, ओके। नाउ इसको हम, ये हमने रब कर दिया, इसको भी हमने रब कर दिया। आई विल राइट AD inside the picture so that AD. Now I will draw the picture of wool. What am I going to do? Wool. Though I am not good at drawing, still I will show you. Did you see a thread like thing? Okay. Okay. Did you see that thread like thing? And two needles. This is a thread, woolen thread, which is used for making sweaters and jackets. And you have seen one thread going up, and look at this. Okay, these are the needles. I made the red needle only, it is okay. This is known as wool. What is it known as? Wool. Let me write the name of the picture. wool. ये देखो, इसको क्या कहते हैं? wool. सॉरी, यहाँ लिखते हैं, एक सेकेंड ना। ऊन, इसको क्या कहते हैं? ऊन। क्या है ये? ऊन। These are woolen thread. Okay, you can take the picture from your Google and see what is woolen thread. Okay, what are the uses of woolen thread? You can see it and tell your mama to show the picture. It is known as wool. So you have to match this picture, which is in between Imli and AD, with letter U. Okay, fine. Then you have the last two pictures. What are they? What are the last two pictures? Let us check the last two pictures. ये देखो आ गया. Next is, I will give you the name of the last two pictures, then you can match it very easily. अब ये क्या है? इसको क्या कहते हैं? उल्लू. इसको क्या कहते हैं? उल्लू. Ullu means owl. Ullu means owl. Now this letter, this word is beginning with U. So what you have to match this with? Letter U. What about this lady? What do you call this woman? What is the Hindi word for woman? Woman, mane, aurat. What is aurat? Where is aurat? Aurat. Where is aurat? What is the beginning letter of this name? O. What is that sound? O. Okay. So you will match this with O. Can you do that yourself? I shall ask you when we come for the meeting. Okay. Until now, children, do this exercise very neatly. Use a scale. Use a scale to complete the picture. I mean the worksheet. Do it very neatly. Don't draw, match it with free hand. Use a scale. Do it very neatly. After you complete it, learn the names of the pictures. After that, file it properly and keep it safe. Okay. Now, for today, this is enough. Till we meet again. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.